Hello, I am Jason. Today we will learn how to create tabs. Tabs are a commonly used user interface element that allows users to navigate between different sections or pages within an application or website. Tabs provide a clear and organized way to present content, making it easier for users to find and access the information they need. Maintain context and reduce cognitive load by keeping related information grouped together. First, let's set up the widgets. We need 3 rectangular buttons, filled in gray. Named Tab 1, Tab 2, and Tab 3 respectively. And a dynamic panel with 3 states, each with 3 rectangles placed, with content text as Tab 1, Tab 2, and Tab 3. Drag in a rectangle and change its text to Tab 1. Adjust its style and duplicate the 2 rectangles. Name them Tab 2 and Tab 3 respectively. Drag in a rectangle to create the content section. Input Tab 1. Create the rectangle as a dynamic panel. Duplicate the dynamic panel state and change the text to Tab 2. Duplicate it again and change the content to Tab 3. Then we set the style effect of the buttons and add a selection group to them to achieve the effect of selecting the button when clicked. Firstly, we select Tab 1 and add the mouse over style effect, changing the fill color to white. Then we set the selected and mouse down effects alike. Copy the style effect to the other 2 buttons. Right-click on them, set the selection group, and then select Tab 1. Next, we need to add click interaction to 3 buttons. Select the This widget and change the dynamic panel state, and bring the tab to the top. Select Tab 1, add click interaction. Select this widget. Set the dynamic panel to state 1. Bring the dynamic panel to top, and then bring Tab 1 to top. Duplicate interactions to the other 2 buttons. Then we set the selected style of button 1 to hide the bottom border and copy the style effect to the other 2 buttons. Place button 1 on top. Then we change the other 2 button dynamic panel states. Preview the prototype. When clicking the button, the dynamic panel changes to the corresponding state, and the button and content are combined together.